Good morning, class. So, students, in the previous session, we discussed about the commercial farming as well as the different type of major crops. So, today I have another topic for all of you, that is agricultural development. So, children, what is agricultural development? Agricultural development, children, refers to the efforts that we people make to increase our farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. As you all know, the population of India is increasing day by day, as well as the requirements of the people, the demand of the people so increasing, and to meet this growing demand, it is very necessary that we look out for various different alternatives. So in simpler words, if I tell you, so looking for alternates by which we could meet the demands of our growing population is known as agricultural development. This can be achieved in many ways, children, such as by increasing the cropped area. जिस लैंड पे हम क्रॉपिंग कर रहे हैं, we should increase its area, और we should go for number of crops grown एक लैंड के ऊपर. We should go for different types of crops, or by increasing or improving our irrigation facilities, using fertilizers, or using high yielding variety of seeds. Mechanization of agriculture, children, is also another aspect of agricultural development, because as you all know, the work done by labor is takes a bit of time as compared to the things done by machines. Then, children, agriculture has developed at different places in different parts of the world. As India is a developing country, we always lag behind in technologies. This is but obvious. But other countries, other places have developed so much in this sector. Developing countries with large population usually practice intensive agriculture, where crops are grown on small holdings mostly for subsistence, but larger holdings are more suitable for commercial agriculture, as in USA, Canada and Australia, since they are the developed countries. Now, with the help of the following two case studies which I am going to discuss with you today, you are going to understand the difference between the agricultural practices of a developed country and a developing country, what different situations of a same sector we see in a developing country and in a developed country. So here I have a case study from India and from USA. We'll be discussing about the conditions of agriculture in these two countries one by one. Okay, let's discuss about our country India first. So farm holdings in India, as you all know, children, is usually small in size. Why? Because a large plot of land is divided into smaller portions between the family members, due to which everybody gets a small portion of लैंड. तो इसलिए सबके पास छोटे छोटे पोर्शंस होते हैं जिसके ऊपर दे आर ओनली एबल टू ग्रो दिस मच क्रॉप विच इज वी कैन से विच कैन ईजिली फुलफिल देयर फैमिली रिक्वायरमेंट्स. नाउ द फार्मर मे बी द लैंड ओनर और ही मे बी अ लैंडलेस फार्मर. वो किसी और की लैंड के ऊपर भी फार्मिंग कर सकता है. Now let's discuss about the various problems which are faced by the Indian farmers. सो वेरियस प्रॉब्लम, सबसे पहली प्रॉब्लम तो यही है कि जो लैंड होल्डिंग्स हैं दे आर स्मॉल बिकॉज दे आर इनहेरिटेड, देयर बाय लीडिंग टू स्मॉल एंड अनइकोनॉमिकल लैंड होल्डिंग्स. इनहेरिटेंस में मिली है, कोई बहुत बड़ी लैंड थी फैमिली की, तो अब फैमिली मेम्बर्स, एज यू ऑल नो दैट इंडियन फैमिलीज आर सो बिग, तो अब वो नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स ज़्यादा होने की वजह से वो इतनी बड़ी लैंड छोटे छोटे पीसेस में डिवाइड हो गई. एवरीबडी गेट्स अ स्मॉल पोर्शन, और वो पोर्शन इतना स्मॉल होता है कि इट ओनली गिव्स देम इनफ फॉर देयर ओन फैमिली, एंड दैट लैंड टर्न्स आउट टू बी अनइकोनॉमिकल, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर इतना प्रोडक्शन नहीं होता. दैट वी गो टू द मार्केट, सेल इट एंड अर्न प्रॉफिट. हम सिर्फ इतना ही ग्रो कर पाते हैं जिससे हमारी फैमिली की नीड्स फुलफिल हो जाए. देन द सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम दैट अराइजेज इज एग्रीकल्चर जो है इंडिया में, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन मानसून रेन विच इज अनसर्टेन एंड अनरिलायबल. नो प्रॉपर इरीगेशन फैसिलिटीज आर देयर, ड्यू टू विच जो फार्मर्स हैं दे डिपेंड अपॉन मानसून ओनली, जो कि बिल्कुल अनसर्टेन है. समटाइम्स मानसून्स आर वेरी हैवियर एंड समटाइम्स देयर इज नो रेन इन द मानसून ऑल्सो. या फिर समटाइम्स जब हमें रेनफॉल की रिक्वायरमेंट है क्रॉप के लिए, इट डज नॉट रेन्स एट दैट टाइम एंड इट रेन्स इन सम अनदर पीरियड विच मे बी हार्मफुल फॉर आवर क्रॉप्स. Then modern methods of farming are not yet introduced due to the financial constraint. Then the farmers in India वो इतने rich नहीं है कि वो न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज़ को अडॉप्ट कर सकें. इसकी वजह से दे आर स्टिल लेफ्ट ऑन टू दी प्रिमिटिव मेथड्स ऑफ फार्मिंग एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू अडैप्ट टू दी मॉडर्न वंस. Then there is a problem of storage की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. They do not have enough warehouses or you can say enough resources, जिसकी वजह से जो स्टॉक है that get perished or it get damaged. Then however the green revolution was launched in India after independence. It has changed the face of agriculture in many ways, like new HYV seeds have been introduced, high yielding variety seeds. Then somewhat irrigation facilities are also improved. Then nowadays they are also using fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides as per their hectares of land. Modern methods have also been used. The one who can afford it, they are using it, and one they do not. Then agricultural credit from the banks has also been introduced, that farmers can go to the banks to get loans at less interest rate. So agricultural universities have also been set up to train the farmers on new scientific methods of farming. This has not only increased the production but has also improved the social economic conditions of the farmer, because you see the difference when you are educated and when you are uneducated. Both the things matter a lot. So since the government has started educating the farmers on various types of methods, so it has helped the farmers in many ways. So this was about the conditions of India, where farmers are still developing, still dealing with the problems and developing in the sector of agriculture. Now let's see the case study of farms in USA. As compared to India, the farms of USA are very large. जो plot of land है वो बहुत बड़े हैं, and a variety of crops are cultivated such as wheat, corn, barley, oilseeds, etc. Now due to the large sizes of farms, क्योंकि farm sizes बहुत बड़े हैं, तो जितनी भी activities हैं, plowing, sowing, harvesting, threshing, everything is done with the help of machines. No labor intensive work, everything is capital intensive. And moreover, these farms are managed by the family members. The farmer is financially well off and maintains a standard of living. जो farmers हैं वहाँ पर वो भी बहुत अच्छे से economically they are strong, they are good at their families, तो इसीलिए they maintain a standard of life. और जो लाइफ स्टॉक वो रियर करते हैं, it provides them enough family income to run their families. Separate sheds are made to the house the livestock, fodder and machinery. Means everything goes in a very good manner, because the farmers over there, the conditions of farmers in India, if we talk about economically, in USA it is far much better than India. So now students, you see the difference between the two, the developing and the developed countries, how the conditions of your country affect. Sector एक ही है, काम एक ही है, agriculture, but still there is a huge difference. So the primary sector or the agriculture of sector of India is still developing and needs a lot of reforms.